Underneath that linoleum, this is what it looked like. We have not broken anything down. This is what it looked like. And it's soaked all the way over here and all the way over there and kind of through here. They're using the shower, so on the edges of the shower over here, it's been leaking down in there. But it's looking like the toilet leaked on a regular basis. But we'll open it up and see if we've got a water spray in somewhere. But this is really, really wet. And it's no damage on that, so it can't be like running off and then hitting that. It's got to be that the toilet was leaking. There's no leaks inside here that we found. The floor in here is pretty solid, actually. I don't know how. So there's no leaks on the water lines. They're not wet. The drains. It's not showing any kind of a leak. But it's as wet as it can be. Since this was the only toilet that he was using, that's what it is. So we're gonna tear all this out, see if we can find something else, but I bet it's a toilet just hitting that and soaking around and wicking back like toilet paper.